How do you say my love in French? The phrase my love in French is mon amour. Mon amour. For example, tu viens mon amour? Tu viens mon amour? Are you coming, my love? Another phrase similar to mon amour is mon chéri. Mon chéri, which can mean my dear or my darling. Mon chéri. In the feminine, it gets an extra E. Ma chérie. Ma chérie means my dear or my darling. Chérie, pourrais-tu m'aider s'il te plaît? Chérie, pourrais-tu m'aider s'il te plaît? Darling, could you help me please? So, my love in French is mon amour. If you want to learn to speak French, you can get my course 3-Minute French by going to www.3minlanguages.com. And if you use the code WELCOME on checkout, you can get a discount. Rooted in meaning. Amour comes from the Latin word amare, meaning to love. It's the origin of romantic terms like amorous or enamoured.